Want to fix your save data could not be downloaded from the Rockstar cloud servers at this time? This video will show you the simple tricks to get your game progress back. Let's dive in. First things first, this error means your game can't access your cloud saves, often due to network issues, Rockstar server problems, or conflicting local save data. Now, the easiest fix is to check the Rockstar Games server status. Visit support.rockstargames.com/service status or their official Twitter X for any announcements about cloud save or game service outages. If servers are down, you'll simply have to wait. Next, restart your game and your gaming device, PC/console. Close the game completely, power cycle your console, or restart your PC. This often clears temporary glitches. Also, restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 60 seconds. You'll also want to check your internet connection for stability. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent proper cloud synchronization. If on Wi-Fi, try a wired Ethernet connection. For PC users, try clearing the Rockstar Games launcher cache. In the launcher, go to Settings, then Clear Local Profile, or similar. You can also try disabling and re-enabling cloud saves within the launcher's game settings. Finally, if the problem persists, ensure your firewall and antivirus are not blocking the Rockstar Games launcher. Temporarily disable them and try launching the game. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Rockstar Games tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.